If you think about the average person, very few people save for unexpected repair bill. Bump was there to solve that. It allowed someone to say yes to all the work so they could drive away in a safe vehicle, but then not having to go into expensive debt.
The main benefits to the retailers that we work with through the Buy Now, Pay Later product is helping to convert more of this work and retaining the customer.
Bumper has been a really good tool for us, quick and simple with only a short step process.
Customers are very happy that we're now offering a different form of payment, which often was never the case really in the motor industry.
If it's a £500 bill or a £2,000 bill, for the fact they can spread it at 0%, I can say to them, look, if it was me, spread the payments. You've got that option there, take it.
It's very good for a distressed purchase, which they're making obviously in an after-sales environment. They feel that they have the control back of their own finances, rather than feeling like they only have one way they have to pay us all in one go.
The feedback we get on a daily basis is really, really good. It just sort of builds a trust factor as well with ourselves and our customers.
Whenever we survey our customers, about 80% say they'll go back to that dealer because they offer Bumper.
The ease for us to use as well as the customers.
The Sit Now integration is really helpful for us from a workshop point of view.
When they get the video, they see the red work, where people were thinking, oh, can I wait 3 or 4 months and get it done then, or do it now? It's ticking all the boxes for them. It's quick and it's simple. You get an alert straight onto your email saying it's authorised, you can crack on with doing the work.
It's all about speed, it's all about getting things ordered, authorised and work done.
The fact that they can split the payments and they don't have the burden of having to pay it in one go means that they're much more inclined to do the work there and then.
And our most recent payment type is our in-store payments. So every digital payment we offer dealers, we can now offer it in-store as well.
I think the exciting thing that we've seen is how our product has evolved over time.
Not only can a dealership process every payment type possible through our platform, they can now run real-time reporting, refunds, partial refunds, cash flow management. We take care of all of that. So really, we're the glue that ties the dealership together.
Fundamentally, it means more cash into their business in a more timely fashion.
On average, our recovery rate's gone up about £14 and therefore obviously increases your invoice value.
It's a win-win for everyone.
Much better experience for the dealer and the customer because they're not having to come back in 3 months' time to get more work done. It's saving everyone time and money.
Yeah, it's a no-brainer.